this is a tutorial for the mobile application testing, and I hope this tutorial will help you to learn the different aspect of the uptrending mobile device testing as well as the mobile app testing. And I wish that this slides will also help you to know the basic mobile application testing, what actually is mobile application testing. So here I just start. So before I proceed, I just want to tell you that what is mobile testing actually. So a simple definition of mobile app testing will go like this. Mobile application testing is basically a process by which an application software developed for handheld mobile devices is tested for its functionality, usability, and consistency. Mobile app testing can be automated as well as manual type. Now there are different types of mobile app where we perform testing on that. So the first type is a native app. So native app actually is live on the device and they are accessed through icons on the device home screens. They are installed through an application store such as Google Play or Apple Store. That depends on what platform you are using. Either you are using an iOS device or an Android devices. So for example of the native app, we have Facebook application, Twitter app, WhatsApp, whatever application that you don't download from the Play Store devices. Okay, so then the next type of app is the web-based app. So what is actually a web-based app? These are actually not real applications. They are really websites that in many ways look like and feel like a native application, but they are not implemented as such. They are run by a browser and typically written in HTML5. Users first access them as they will access any web page. So these are basically the software programs that run directly from the web browser on mobile phones and tablets. So they are run on the web hosted servers. For example, we have any chatting applications, we have some online mobile games, so they are all web-based apps. The third type is a hybrid app. Hybrid apps are part native apps, part web apps. I mean, they are both. Because of that, many people incorrectly call them web apps, but they are actually both. So like native apps, they live in app store and can take advantage of the many device features available. Like web app, they rely on HTML being rendered in a browser with the caveat that the browser embedded within the app. So this is all about the type of apps that we need to test, and that all covers in mobile testing. Now the basic question, why we do and why we go for this mobile testing and why it is important. So these days an increasing number of individuals and organizations are fighting for the top spot in their app downloads. While many believe in app success depends on the type of program and its capabilities, and some of it does, the real difference between an app that sells and one that doesn't is testing. It's not just about having a cool application. Actually, it's not about having a cool application. The users are there more likely to abandon a program if it has functionality problems, no matter how promising it seems. Even the simplest app can be lucrative for an organization. So it's just to enhance the functionality, the usability features that we do go for this mobile testing, and it's really important. Now there are some challenges that we face during mobile app testing. So I've mentioned 5 challenges here, and I just want you to have a brief description about all these challenges that we actually face on mobile testing. So the first one is must be down label. So the app should be down labeled for the particular store, like from Play Store, that you must be able to download an app. The second challenge that we face is the diversity in the mobile platform and the OSs. Actually, there are many OS in the market like Android, iOS, Symbian, Windows Phone, and users platform. And these all platforms, they possess a unique challenge for the testers. So we have different challenges on the different platforms. So the third one is the device availability. Okay, before I go with the device availability, it's just that the devices, because every Android devices and every iOS devices, they have different platforms, they have different versions. So it is very crucial that we have the ability of all the devices with the different versions with us. So it's a mere challenge for the mobile testers actually. And the fourth one is mobile network operators. There are over 400 mobile network operators involved. Each network operator uses a different kind of network infrastructure and thus limits the flow of information. The fifth one is compatibility, which is like a very important challenge that we face, because some apps work on higher resolution while it doesn't work on fewer lower resolutions. So it may create a challenge for the testers. Now we have different types of mobile app testing that we perform being a mobile testers. The first one is functional testing. Okay, this is a very important testing because it ensures that the application is working as per the requirements, or whatever the requirements, it functions accordingly. The second one is performance testing. Yes, it is also very important to perform because it is done to check the performance and behavior of the application under certain conditions such as low battery, bad network coverage, low memory, simultaneous occurrence to the application server by several users, and other conditions. The third one is the memory leakage one. It happens when a computer program or app is unable to manage the memory as it is allocated, resulting in poor performance of the application and overall slowdown of the system. The fourth one is the usability testing that we perform being a mobile tester, and it's very important also. So in usability testing, it is carried out to verify the application is achieving its goal and getting a favorable response from the users. And the second last is the installation testing. This installation testing covers updating and uninstalling of the app. This is a very important part of the testing that a manual tester perform. Okay, now I go to the security testing. This is performed by the security tester, and this is basically to check the vulnerabilities to hacking, authentications, data security, session management, and other security standards. And the last and not the least is the load testing. And this is basically when many users all attempt to download, load, and use app simultaneously. It just loads the load times or crashes the app. I hope you like this tutorial and it gives you a basic idea of the mobile testing. Thank you.